Now, let's deal with these each individually. If we think first of all about lockdown, okay? You've got the whole country in lockdown currently as I record this video, okay? Things may change, but right now we've got the whole country in lockdown. Now, what that means is the property market has stopped. The merry-go-round has literally stopped. We never had a time like this before. You know, normally with supply and demand, if demand drops, if people start choosing not to buy, they think it's too expensive, so demand drops, but the supply stays the same, the house prices go down. And if demand goes up, but the supply stays the same, house prices go up. Supply and demand, that's what affects the house prices, okay? And if it goes up significantly, demand, or supply drops a lot, then you get big rises. And if it goes down significantly and supply stays the same, you get big drops, okay? Now, in lockdown, actually, the situation is that the market's just totally stopped. It's not one or the other. But we do know that people who have their houses up for sale still want to sell them. And there'll be some people in this 3-month period that are getting very fed up of each other and will want to sell as well. Or people will have wanted to sell and would have thought of selling at this period, but they can't because they're in lockdown. So supply is going to stay the same or go up a little bit. And demand is likely to drop. You know, we're going to come out of lockdown and we're going to want to move, some of us, and we're going to want to move on to the next place. But it's going to drop a bit. With social distancing and everything else, it's not going to be people's biggest priority unless they've got a personal problem that's going on making them want to move. So the market is going to move in a downward direction. That's going to happen, okay? That's definitely going to happen.